I'm Mama Giuliana. My tips today, it's how to cook fresh pasta and dry pasta. First of all, you have to put enough water, half liter of water for 100 grams of pasta. Usually 100 grams of pasta is for one person. Have to boil the water first, let boil. When they start to make bubble, you put the salt inside. 10 grams for 1 liter. So you have to try, and then after you put the salt, how much you like. Remember always, if you have a sauce, tomato sauce or some sauce quite strong, you have to add less salt. Once the water boil, after a few minutes you can add pasta and you cook usually as you want, you taste, and it's ready when you like. That water boil, I put salt. This is half teaspoon, because here I have 100 grams of pasta. The water now is boiling. I put inside pasta and cook. Sometimes you can stir a little bit and you cook, you taste your pasta, and when you think it's ready, it's okay, it's finished. You take away and you will put in your sauce. This is for the dry pasta. I'll show you now what you have to do for the egg pasta. Never mind if the egg pasta is fresh or it's a little bit, it's dry in the packet you buy. The quantity of water is always the same, but it's very important. After you add salt, this is the quantity of salt you have to add, because here I put more water. Okay? It's important to add oil, because the fresh pastas stick together. I put the salt, I put the oil, the water is boiling, I put inside the pasta. Remember that the eggs pasta cook usually very faster than not the dry pasta. You see, when it's come up, you have to mix very well. It's come up, you see, it doesn't stick together. And this is very, very, very important. Also here now, you let cook for the minutes that you like. You have your tomato sauce already prepared, and the pasta is ready also.